yung first game natin.
Tsaka I love that change, no? 7 o'clock, you know, roughly.
Field goal shooting heavily in favor of Basilan, shooting shot 66.7%.
Nice
While
curve.
Marikina just 26.7%. Ralph Robin and RV Berge. Santa Ana drives. And finally puts it in. Santa Ana got popped by Montuano. One-hander though will go through.
No, I like that soon as he got that ball, talagang thinking shot na kaagad. Ito si GV, hindi na inantay yung depensa. Mark Montuano. My goodness. Agreed.
Averaging over 12 points per ball game. Moving over from Mindoro. Ralph Robin, the runner.
Bam Gamalinda and the other bigs.
Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Nakaagaw na naman ang Basilan. Neil
Wow.
Owens.
Temporarily moved them ahead of Mindoro. Nice block by Grimaldo.
Erasing that shot. John Wilson sa kabila pa dinaan.
Ibang klase rin ang ano. He leads them in minutes, steals, rebounds, and free throw percentage.
Pasa all drains his second triple. Ang kailangan nilang habulin dito.
Tsaka kailangan itong Marikina, they have to generate shot makes from the outside. Kasi if you look at Basilan, you know, yung spectrum of shot makes nila varies eh. May paint, may threes, may medium range. Attempt man yan or shot make para dito sa Marikina. And they have not converted very well.
Ken Mocon dumps it off. And this is actually his highest scoring average, would you believe, in 7 seasons.
So basically, it's like going up against the stars he watched back then. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Andrea. And I also remember a huge thanks to this guy, Wilson, waxing hot, 18 markers. Back the other way, Marikina. Straight, handling the ball. Pasao lines it up.
It helps his paint game. Open up that lane for any drives or post up. Nice pass and a good feed.
Bobby B. Display 4 out of 4 from Bobby Balucanag, na dating teammate ni Coach Jonathan Uiloan sa Basilan. Which reminds me, dahil nakalaban nila, Bobby B with his 10th point, nakalaban nila yung Bacoor. Cometa, pasa kay Mactalio. Cometa, corner pocket free, swish. Landayan launches. Blanquesa, the pitch ahead. Mactalio will score on the other side.
Activities that's gonna happen in game day.
Tama.
And
The first field goal make.
that deserves a slow-mo and a replay later on.
Mactalio chasing for the ball. Malakas yung pangalawa. Landayan, nakuha yung offensive rebound pero naagaw na naman ng Basilan. Mactalio fouled. At one point was the number 1 ranked 3x3 player in the Philippines. Kaya lang, namintis niya yung huling 2 free throws.